Good morning, children. This is Sachi teacher. Children, today again we will discuss about the remaining part of this chapter, expansion of British Empire in North India. In the previous modules we have discussed about the First Anglo-Sikh War. Today we are going to discuss about the Second Anglo-Sikh War. So, first of all, Anglo-Sikh War. The Second Anglo-Sikh War, that is also known as the First War of Sikh Independence, was a military conflict between the Sikh Empire and the British East India Company that took place in 1848 and 1849. These were the causes of the Second Anglo-Sikh War. The humiliation caused by the First Anglo-Sikh War, wherein the Sikh Empire had lost some territories to the British East India Company. The Sikh regent Maharani Jindan Kaur was not treated properly by the British. She was removed from Lahore on conspiracy charges against the British resident in Lahore. Multan was a part of the Sikh Empire when Maharaja Ranjit Singh had captured it in 1818. Multan was governed by Devan Mulraj. He resented the Lahore's court, that is the capital of the Sikh Empire, but controlled by the British resident since the First Anglo-Sikh War. Demand for increased tax assessment and revenues. The British resident at that time was Sir Frederick Curie. He undermined Mulraj and imposed another governor, Sardar Khan Singh, along with a British agent, Patrick Vance Agnew. In 1848, Vance Agnew and another officer who arrived in Multan to take charge were murdered by Mulraj's troop. This news led to the unrest in Punjab, and many Sikh soldiers joined the rebel forces against the British. So children, these are the causes of the Second Anglo-Sikh War. Now we will talk about the results of the Second Anglo-Sikh War. These are the results of the Second Anglo-Sikh War. Punjab was annexed by the British in March 1849. As per the Treaty of Lahore, the 11-year-old Maharaja Dalip Singh was pensioned off to England. Jind Kaur was separated from her son, the Maharaja, and taken to Firozpur. Her allowance was reduced to a meagre amount and her jewels and money confiscated. Sir John Lawrence was appointed as the first Chief Commissioner of Punjab to take care of the administration. Dalhousie was recognized for his role in the annexation of Punjab to the British and was made a Marquis. The famous Kohinoor diamond went into British hands. It was in possession of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, who had willed it to the Puri Jagannath Temple of Odisha, but his will was not executed by the British. They say it was acquired as part of the Treaty of Lahore after the Second Anglo-Sikh War. So children, these are the points which you will remember regarding this Anglo-Sikh War. In northwest India, the Sikhs under Maharaja Ranjit Singh became powerful. The British wanted to bring the Sikh under control. After the death of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, there was lawlessness in the region. The British took advantage of the situation and the First Anglo-Sikh War were fought. In the Second Anglo-Sikh War, the British defeated the Sikhs in the Battle of Gujarat, a town on River Chenab, 1849. The Sikh chief surrendered and Punjab was annexed by Lord Dalhousie. Maharaja Dalip Singh was pensioned off and sent to England. Now we will discuss about the expansion of British power under Dalhousie. First of all, we will discuss about the doctrine of lapse. What is this doctrine of lapse? According to doctrine of lapse, if the ruler of a subordinate state died without leaving a natural heir, his state would pass into the hands of British. Dalhousie's doctrine of lapse. Lord Dalhousie was highly ambitious, pro-imperialist. Under his doctrine of lapse, any ruler who did not have a natural heir to the throne would have to forfeit the right to rule for his future generation, led to the annexation of states like Satara, Nagpur, Jhansi, Sambalpur, Udaipur, Aidpur and Bhagat. It raised a wave of discontent against the British rule. Now we will talk about the annexation of Awadh. Lord Dalhousie deposed the Awadh Nawab, that is Wazid Ali Shah, using the instrument of misgovernance and annexed Awadh. Annexation of Awadh. A subsidiary alliance was imposed on Awadh in 1801 and it was fully taken over in 1856. Misrule by the Nawab was given as a reason for annexation of Awadh. You can see the picture of Nawab of Awadh, that is Wazid Ali Shah. So in crux we have Second Anglo-Sikh War. We have discussed about the Second Anglo-Sikh War and the expansion under Lord Dalhousie. That's all for today, children. Have a nice day. Thank you.